Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reduce noise of your video in CapCut PC so easily. So you can prepare your video with noise and just click import to import your video you want to edit, and for example just add to the track. So just say this noise video, and to make it reduce for the noise, just select basic and scroll down to find the noise reduction. But it is pro feature. You can join properties to be able to use this feature. So just turn on the noise reduction and then select 40-degree option, weak or strong. And I think you have to select strong, click strong, and you can see for the processing it it is a track sorry it is takes a long time according to the duration of the video. You can make it shorter. It's a lagging video, sorry. You can listen for the final result, but this is still processing it. So basically I hope this information was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.